Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Kavi Savi. Today we are going to go to a very special place, and I am a big South Indian breakfast fan. Wherever I go, in Europe, mainly to the bigger cities like Paris or Amsterdam, I always look forward to eating at Sarvana Bhavan. And unfortunately, we didn't have this in Antwerp, and finally it has opened. And I am super excited to go taste the food. Let's go. So I came to know that this restaurant opened like a week ago, and I was unable to really stop myself during the weekdays to come here. So I was waiting for the weekend. Oh my god. I am just so happy, guys, that finally Sarvana Bhavan is here. Wherever I go, like, people go to see monuments, but first thing when I go to any city, if there is Sarvana Bhavan, I will definitely visit it. Yeah, let's see if it really lives up to its hype for South Indian food here. So we are now near the town hall and still walking towards the restaurant. It is just, I think, few meters away from the river side. Also nice place to visit.
Look at my wife's excitement.
Oh, we are there. Almost.
Okay.
बाकी उससे फूड आएगा तो उससे शूट करेगा.
There is Madras ticket or Madras and I will take Mangalore.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. And then, okay. So we have already decided. I am going to take filter coffee and puri sagu, one plate idli vada. And my husband is going to take Mysore masala dosa and special thali at Sarvana. Waiting. Mango lassi has arrived. Finally. So good. Warm idli. Going to eat Indian. What chutney is it? Coconut? Very nice mint taste. And now I'm going to dip it in classic coconut chutney. As a South Indian, I can approve the idli and vada.
Looks like Holland.
Finishing idli up for eating dosa. To eat dosa later.
ठीक है.
वड़ा बहुत अच्छा है.
वड़ा fried है ना?
I will do like this so you can share the chutney.
इडली थोड़ा सा रबड़ी ना.
Khali, I finished everything. Last bite of this plate. Wow, sambar is very tasty. So puri and dosa has arrived. When there is puri, I always like to do this. Let's taste. I have some aloo curry. It's really good. What is this curry? I think this is sagu. Wow. Mysore masala dosa is here. Quite big. This is how we break, and then there is curry inside. Aloo. Can you give it here? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. So, take a piece of dosa, dip it in sambar. So crispy. I'm missing that spiciness still. I think anybody can eat this who don't like spicy. So we have ordered South Indian thali. Let's see what we have inside. There are a lot of dishes. Of course, appadam. Then we have 2 puris and a rice plate. So South Indian meal always comes with rice. Then we have, I think it is some pumpkin vegetable with dal, rasam, and another vegetable. It's, I think, paisam. We have sambar, we have raita, and then yogurt, and they have given this sabji, beetroot sabji, and gobi sabji we have, and some achar. Let's dig it. It's a huge plate. I don't know if I will be able to finish it, but I'm going to share it with my husband. I like the puri though. They are made with wheat flour and not very oily. So I like that, and I think chutney. As a South Indian, I didn't see any green chilies. Maybe it is because they don't want to hurt the foreigners with the spiciness, but yeah. Vada was really nice. Vada was good. The texture was right. It was fluffy. However, idli felt a bit rubbery. Finally, one green chili I encountered in this subject.
What happened?
I'm so full. I couldn't finish the meal, guys. So we call this kappa and basi in my native language. So mix it well. Did the Sarvana Bhavan live up to the hype? Personally, for me, no. The service was good, the food itself was just okay, nothing too special. I personally felt flavors were quite bland. I miss the touch of curry leaves and the green chilies that comes in the South Indian cuisine, and I wouldn't really recommend this for somebody who is looking for authentic South Indian flavors, but trying it once for the experience is totally fine. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.